Hello. If you are interested in accessing the Washington Post online newspaper, you can do that through our class link. Okay, so if you go to class link, find the newspaper folder, and from there you'll notice there's the Washington Post. Okay, there are not any paywalls, should not be any paywalls or registration prompts. Okay, if something comes up like try 4 weeks for free, please ignore. Okay, and so you should be able to access most of the information on the site. Okay, and again, if something pops up, please just ignore it. Now, if you would like to access off-site, okay, the site off campus, go to ClassLink, and from there is a Washington Post at home. And what you will need to do is actually create a 7-day account by entering an email and creating a password. Please be aware that this account will be good for 7 days, and on the 8th day, you will need to go through the process from ClassLink to setting up an account again. If you do have any questions, please reach out to the library team. Thank you for listening.